Next, in this program, we are going to print series of numbers within a single line, not in different lines. So here I'm starting for I in range, and here I'm giving range 1. It should start from 1 and it should go up to 100. So here I'm putting 101, and here we have to put colon. Now print. Within bracket we have to print variable I, so we'll be writing I, comma, and equals to. Here either we can use single quotes or double quotes. I'm using double quotes. Within double quotes right now I haven't given any space. So save the program and run it. So here we can see that it has printed the series of number without giving any space. This is our series. Now if we want to give a space in between, then we have to give a single space in between this double quotes. Save it and run it again. So here it has got a single space between two words. Instead of space, if we want to put comma, then here we can put comma. Save it and run it again. So here we can see that all the numbers are with comma.